Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Sentence with Biology. Today we will learn Grade 10 Bio, Chapter 2, Cell Structure and Organization. Let's begin with lesson. Plant tissues. A tissue is a group of cells with similar structures. Working together to perform a particular function. In each tissue, the cells are alike, with the same characteristics of size, form and arrangement. Quiz time. How many did you get right? Plant tissues. In the higher plants, tissues show a division of labor. 3 basic tissue system in plants. Meristematic tissue, cells are capable of cell division. Permanent tissue, mature cells are capable of cell division. Meristematic tissues, 1. Apical meristem, 2. Intercalary meristem, 3. Lateral meristem. Simple tissue, made up of one type of cells, 1. Epidermal tissue, 2. Ground tissue. Ground tissue, 1. Parenchyma, 2. Collenchyma, 3. Sclerenchyma. Complex tissue, made up of more than one type of cells. Vascular tissue, xylem tissue, phloem tissue. Quiz time. You have completed today's lessons. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.